In this video, I want to show you how to create ArcGIS Online Public account for free. So to do that, open your browser and open a new tab. So search for ArcGIS Online. Press enter. So this is it, ArcGIS Online. Click on it. So it will open this interface. So if you have accounts already with them, click on sign in. And if you don't have, in this case, we want to create a new one. So just click on sign in. When it opens, if you have accounts already, you can sign in directly. But since we don't have, click on create an account. So scroll down, come to create a public account. Although it has limited functionality, but it gives you permanent access to create and share basic map. So click on create an ArcGIS public account. So here you will be requested to input your name, and input your email. So confirm your email, you can just copy it and paste. Here, review the agreements and privacy policy. Take your time to go through it and accept the agreements and the private policy. Then make sure you check your email, because a confirmation email will be sent to that email. So once everything is okay, click on next. So an activation link has been sent to your email. Click the link in the email to complete account activation. So let's check our email. Here is the email. Thank you for signing up for an ArcGIS public account. So the activation link is this. Click on it. So this will prompt up and ask you to create a username. Then here, create your password. So after you have created it, scroll down and retype the password here. Then here, select security question and answer. Once you've selected everything, click on create account. So the username has already been taken, so I'll just add two figures to differentiate it. So I'll click on create account. Yes, you can see, welcome to your ArcGIS Online Public account. You can see the welcome notes here. You can make map, make a scene, make an app, make a story. You can see it here. And of course, you can go through tutorials and you can join community. Here, if I come back here, I can see my username, and I can equally click here and edit my profile and do some settings if I want to. And I can add my profile picture as well, and you can sign out. If you have another account, you can switch account as well. So this is how to create ArcGIS Online Public accounts. Thank you for watching.